Hi guys! Today we are learning how to switch back to a personal account on Instagram. First, unlock your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to switch back to a personal account. Now, tap your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. This will open your Instagram profile. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. This will open a list of account settings and options. From the menu, open Settings and Activity. Here you'll find all the options related to your Instagram account and privacy. Where to click? Scroll to For Professionals and tap Creator Tools and Controls or Business Tools and Controls. Then select Switch Account Type. Scroll down until you reach the For Professionals section. Open the appropriate Tools menu, then tap Switch Account Type to view your account options. Select Switch to Personal Account, then tap Switch Back or Switch to confirm your choice. Your Instagram account will now be converted from a professional account back to a personal account. And that's how you can easily switch back to a personal account on Instagram. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.